When Major General Daniel Edgar Sickles advanced the 10,000 men of his 3rd Army Corps around 2 o'clock in the afternoon of July 2, 1863, he placed no troops on Little Round Top. The closest troops he positioned were at Devil's Den at the base of Little Round Top and ran due north along a ridge called Houck's Ridge. And these were men from Indiana, New York, Maine, and Pennsylvania. And for the better part of 2 hours that afternoon, they'd put up a brutal fight for control of that rocky pile of boulders. But ultimately, Confederates from Georgia, Texas, and Alabama would wrestle control of Devil's Den from its Union defenders. General Daniel Sickles only had 10,000 men in the 3rd Army Corps, not nearly enough to properly defend the new battle line he took up on the afternoon of July 2, 1863. Nowhere on the battlefield demonstrates that better than the 26-acre wheat field of Farmer John Rose, where we're standing right now. Sickles initially places only 1,600 men, commanded by Colonel Philippe Regis de Chateaubriand, in the wheat field itself. And over the course of the next 2.5 hours, Confederates would assault this position from the south, southwest, and directly from the west. And Union troops from 3 different corps would be rushed to this threatened point of the battlefield. After 2.5 hours of brutal fighting, over 6,000 men lay dead, wounded, dying, missing, captured within this relatively small area of the battlefield. And despite the dogged resistance of these Union defenders, Confederates ultimately drove them back and captured the wheat field itself.